here's how to add a payee in Bank of America. So first open your browser or the Bank of America mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. Then once logged in, navigate to the Bill Pay tab. From there, under the Bill Pay tab, click on Payment Center. Then you can add a company or person, so choose the option to add a company or person from within the Payment Center. Then follow the instructions, so enter the required details of the company or person you want to add as a payee, such as the name, account number, and payment address. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Then, optionally, you can request e-bills. So if e-bills are available for your payee, you will see an option to request them. You can opt for e-bills directly in online banking or the mobile banking app. This will add your payee, enabling you to schedule payments to them through Bank of America's Bill Pay feature. So now you know how to add a payee in Bank of America. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.